Welcome back to Cooking with Rod. I'm truly glad you're here, and I want to take a moment to welcome you back to the channel. Whether you've been watching for a long time or you're just now becoming a regular part of this community, it means a lot to have you here with me again. Every single view, every comment, every like, and every recipe you try helps make this channel what it is, and I'm grateful for all of it. Cooking with Rod has always been about bringing good food, real flavor, and a warm kitchen atmosphere to your screen. This is a place where comfort food matters, homemade meals matter, and the joy of cooking is always front and center. It's about meals that make people gather around the table, recipes that feel satisfying to make, and food that brings a little extra comfort and happiness into everyday life. When you come back to this channel, you're not just watching another cooking video. You're stepping into a space that is built around sharing food, ideas, inspiration, and a love of making something delicious from scratch. From hearty dinners and family favorites to sweet treats, drinks, comfort classics, and kitchen creations, there's always something exciting cooking here. I really appreciate the fact that you keep coming back. There are so many places you could spend your time, and the fact that you chose to spend some of it here with me means more than I can say. If you've made the recipes, shared them with family and friends, or simply enjoyed watching along, thank you. Your support helps the channel keep growing, and it keeps me inspired to keep creating more content for you. As you settle in and look around, I hope you find something that makes you hungry, something that inspires your next meal, something that reminds you why home cooking is so special. There's a lot more to come, a lot more flavor on the way, and a lot more good food waiting for you right here. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for being a part of the community, and thank you for being a part of Cooking with Rod. Now let's get back in the kitchen and make something great together.